Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective natural fat cutter drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add a spoon of fennel seeds. Fennel is high in nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium and manganese. It contains powerful plant compounds. It suppresses appetite and thus the calorie intake is reduced to a great extent. It is very good for your heart health. It also has cancer fighting properties. Add half teaspoon of sesame seeds. Black sesame seeds has a lot of health benefits such as it is rich in antioxidants, lowers blood pressure, has anti-cancer properties, promotes healthy hair and skin, aids to blood sugar control, relieves arthritis pain and lowers cholesterol levels. These black sesame seeds are a good source of healthy fats. Then add 1 cup of hot water. The essence and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open and check the ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to the same mug. Then add a tablespoon of lemon juice to the mug. Lemon boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy and natural fat cutter drink is ready. Enjoy this drink right away for best results. You can consume this drink on an empty stomach to get the full benefits of the ingredients. This drink improves your metabolism and cut down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink today boosts your immunity. So do try this natural fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Heat a pan and to this add 1 cup of black sesame seeds. Dry roast for 10 minutes in low flame until the sesame seeds splutter. Always prefer black sesame seeds for best taste. These black sesame seeds are rich in iron and calcium, so this is a very healthy recipe. It's been 10 minutes and our sesame seeds are nicely roasted and are spluttering. So at this stage, transfer the sesame seeds to a plate and keep it aside. Now to the same pan, add 1 cup of urad dal, 10 dried red chilies. You can alter this count according to your taste. Then add 2 tablespoons of curry leaves. You can be generous in adding curry leaves for this recipe and you can easily make your kids go with some curry leaves. Dry roast these ingredients for 10 minutes in low flame until the urad dal turns nice and golden brown. Now the urad dal is nice and golden brown and also it's very aromatic. At this stage, off the flame and add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida and mix it well for 5 seconds. Then transfer these ingredients to the same plate and allow it to cool completely. It will take around 30 minutes for the ingredients to cool completely. It's been 30 minutes now and our ingredients are nice and cool. So go ahead and transfer the ingredients to a mixer jar. To this add a teaspoon of salt. Grind this to a fine powder. Now a delicious black sesame seeds powder or yellow podi is now ready. You can serve this with idli or dosa or even make yellow rice and enjoy with your family and friends. You can store this in an 8-8 container and enjoy for 2 months time. Very easy and healthy recipe. So do try this black sesame seeds powder or yellow podi recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.